Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. I'm Shannon and I've been recording my daily meditations and posting them here for you so that you can have a daily meditation experience. And the intent is to use some really simple, basic techniques to help wrap up my day, get me ready for a good sleep, and to kind of release anything that may have been building up throughout the day. And today's meditation is going to be about that, about release, because I can feel in my body where I'm holding on to some worries and stress and frustrations and things that happened today. And I know if I try to go to sleep right now, it's just going to keep me awake. And so the meditation today will be about that, identifying where these emotions are living in the body and just letting them go. So all you need for this meditation is a comfortable seat. It could be on a cushion on the floor, in a chair, outside on the ground, and then you'll need a place with as few distractions as possible. That may be hard to find. Most of us are staying with people or with animals, and it may be hard to carve out a little space to, have a little quiet, but do the best that you can. So if you have your comfortable seat and place, then I invite you to close your eyes and start breathing. Well, I'm sure we've been breathing before. So close your eyes and start focusing on your breath, noticing your breath. Take some slow, deep breaths. Take a look at your posture, and your spine should be tall and straight, and your shoulders back a little bit, and your chin tucked a little bit to open up that space in your lungs and your torso area to breathe fully, and to make sure that your windpipe is fully open so that you can get a maximum amount of breath in. And then take a good look at how it feels to breathe for you right now. And note that on any given day, it might not feel that easy to breathe. And that's okay. And then bring your attention to your body and try to locate one spot in your body where you might be tensing, or it may be a little tight, or you may be holding it, or you may feel a little bit of discomfort. We're going to do this in a couple of places today, but just find one where you feel like you might be a little tight. and just notice it. Mine's in my shoulders right now. Just watch it. And as you breathe out, take a deep inhale, and as you exhale, then try to relax those muscles, relax that space. Relax. Release. Relax. Now, as you breathe for the next minute, just try to let that area become slack and loose as much as you can. It may feel like it wants to tense back up, and that's okay. Just release it again. And then look through your body again to find another place that might be a little tight. You might be holding it in, and it might not feel as obvious as the last one. But look and see another place that can use a little more relaxation. And as you exhale, well, first look at that spot. And then as you exhale, try to release the holding in that area, the tension, the tightness. Release. Relax. Over the next minute, just see what you can do to gradually let that place become as loose and relaxed as possible. If you notice it tightening back up again, then as you exhale, let it relax. And then one more time, look back into your body and look for a place where you might be holding it in, tightening it up. Like, those are the places where we carry our stress, our anxiety, our worries. And some of the common places are shoulders, your jaw, your forehead, your stomach, your back, your hips. When you find that place, then just observe it. What does it feel like right now? And then take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let that relax out. Relax. Release the holding. Release the tightness. Release whatever you're holding on to. Release. Relax. And over the next minute, just let it become as open and loose and hanging down as possible. And then take a moment to look at the previous two places. Make sure they're still somewhat relaxed and not holding. And take a couple more breaths to just relax all those places simultaneously. And then just come back to your normal breathing. You don't need to look at those places anymore. Just breathe. And then when you feel ready, then open your eyes. You may want to give your body a bit of a shake, a little shimmy. Take a deep breath out. Thank you so much for joining me today for another meditation. And I really enjoy sharing these experiences with you. And I hope that you're finding them useful. And if you're interested in watching more of them, I can link up to the full playlist. And I've started to label the titles with the theme or the focus of the meditation. So if you're looking for something specific to help you with something, you can start looking through the titles and pick some that might be useful to you in your current situation. So I hope you have a good evening and a good sleep and a wonderful day, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Good night.